Welcome to RS Components and our video series showing you a selection of products from our Legionella Temperature Monitoring range. In this video we're going to take a look at product code 255522. That's the RS Pro Type T Legionella Temperature Monitoring Kit. This kit comprises of the 204-8413 digital handheld thermometer with integral 1 and 2 minute timers, a surface probe, an immersion probe, a fine wire probe, and a sheet of thermocouple attachment pads. All this, plus a PP3 battery and instruction manual, is packed for you in a standard carry case. The single input thermocouple thermometer has a measurement range of -200 to +1372 degrees centigrade, with an accuracy of ±0.2 degrees centigrade. It's manufactured to IP67. The meaning of that rating is displayed on your screen now, but it also comes with a pre-fitted rubber boot as standard. This is for extra protection against damage, for instance when in use or should you decide to store or transport the handheld without the carry case. Now let's take a look at the probes. All three are T-type thermocouple, which means they have an accuracy of half class 1 with a variance of ±0.25 degrees centigrade. The surface probe has a stem length of 110 mm and is fitted with a sprung-loaded 6 mm diameter shield. The immersion probe has a stem length of 110 mm with a 3 mm tip. The handles of both these probes have been moulded in solid polypropylene, are fitted with a 2 metre curly polyurethane cable and terminate in a 2-pin moulded plug. The fine wire probe is 1 metre long. It's manufactured using PTFE wire constructed as a twisted pair. It's bead welded at one end whilst the other end terminates in a 2-pin moulded plug. This wire has been included for those times when you may need to access a difficult to reach pipe or TMV. Finally, the thermocouple attachment pads. These have been included to help with that difficult to reach pipe or TMV. Simply pop a tap from the sheet, remove the backing, slip the bead welded end of the fine wire through the hole, just enough so that the end loop is still under the tap, and adhere to the pipe. The wire can be trailed to a place where it is much safer or more comfortable for you to be able to take the reading. The wire can be left permanently in place. Additional fine wires and taps are available on the site. Using the integral timer. When performing a running water or immersion temperature test, the timer buttons on the handheld's keypad will come into their own. The 1 timer button is for the 1 minute hot water countdown. Press this and the display will show H1.00. It will automatically start counting down. Press that button again and the timer will disappear. The 2 timer button is for the 2 minute cold water countdown. Press this and the display will show C2.00, and again the automatic countdown will start. Again, press once more and the timer will disappear. Well, that concludes our look at the RS Pro T-Type Legionella Temperature Monitoring Kit, product code 255522. I hope this video has been helpful. Thank you for watching.